What is the production process of the handmade things we use every day? Let us find out together today. Firstly, for the handmade things, we have 2 automated punching lines and 4 automated surface treatment production lines. This is our laser cutting machine, which can cut the sheets into the desired dimensions and shapes according to the design. This is a bending machine, used to bend and shape the cut sheets of material. Here we use punching equipment for the process of sink punching. Here is the welding machine, which is used to weld and secure the side panels or base plates of our handmade sinks. Next, we proceed with the steps of cleaning the products and the final packaging. The final packaged products are stored in the warehouse.